I'm going to add bitter leaf to it. This is the bitter leaf. I juice out the juice, and then this is the leaf. Yeah, I didn't wash it, I just juice out the juice only. So I'm going to add to this soup little by little. It's the least but not the last thing I'm going to put. The last thing I'm putting in this soup is pepper, potato pepper, because I like the smell of it. So now I'm adding bitter leaf to it. As you can see, this is a lot of bitter leaf, but it's not going to be bitter. Forget about that name, calling bitter. It's not going to be bitter. So I'm sorry about the noise. It's my senior girl that is screaming. I don't know what is going on with her right now. So you know, all these teenagers, sometimes they do behave somehow, but it's okay. It's normal. We all went through that.